What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about T.I., Boosie and Trae the True. T.I. has been no stranger to appearing in projects outside of music, which include being part of several television shows and films. This includes T.I. and Tiny, The Family Hustle, The Grand Hustle, ATL, Ant-Man, and much more. So his newest work is a movie, Apartments. This comedy movie is written and directed by T.I. T.I. also revealed comedian DC Young Fly co-produced the film, while fellow stand-up comics Lil Duval and Carlos Miller served as executive producers. All three men appear in the movie as well. So today guys, T.I. linked up with Boosie and Trae the True at his new movie premiere. So let's check this out the video, come on.
Over here, y'all, right here. To the left, to the left, to the left. There we go.
We got legendary right here. Erica Duchess. Far left to Freddie.
Right here to.
Okay, we're good.
What's up, man? Okay.
Movie Apartments, the cast features Henrik Welch, Ernesto Ross, Throat of Juan, Moneybag Mafia, Now Green, Tyler Chronicles, Tokyo Jets, Tokyo Vanity, Jan Foreman, K-Dub, King Harris, and many more. So it was all guys, thanks for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website tvy.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.
I mean, them prayers really worked for Crazy Bone, man. You guys really y'all came through, man. Y'all really came through. Each and every last one of y'all, man. Y'all really came through. YTV, you know what I'm saying? They always on point. They always first on it. You know what I mean? They believe in it. You know what I mean? Like, so that's a good thing, and so on and so forth, man. The whole team, man. I know everybody. I know I speak on behalf of everybody, at least on this one. You know, we grateful as heck that Crazy is all right. You know, I think that's an understatement. You know what I mean? But yeah, everything is everything, y'all. Gonna go on vacation.